Assalamu alaikum. Yes, students, we start the same topic, indices and standard form. Subject is mathematics and class PC. This is fourth lesson. This is fourth week from 27th April to 1st of May 2020. Yes, students, keep in mind nothing is new in this lesson. We have discussed all main ideas and concepts already in lesson 1, 2 and 3. In this lesson today, just we have to revise again main ideas, main concepts and rules and points in this lesson, and then we will do inshallah review exercise 4th, which is the last exercise of this lesson today. Methodology: audio aids, visual aids, educational videos and homework assignments. Then brainstorming. Here prior knowledge can be checked and revised by asking simple questions. For example, what are the laws of indices? Just to revise main concepts and ideas, again we have written here as answer 7 laws of indices. In case of multiplication of same bases, we add up their powers. In case of division of same bases, we subtract their powers, and power to power rule is defined as a power m whole power n can be written as a power mn, and so on. Anything with power 0 is always equal to 1, and negative indices can be dealt in the way first we convert these negative indices into positive. In this way, for example, a power minus m can be written as 1 over a power m. Then we evaluate numbers are like this. Objectives: by the end of this lesson, students, I hope inshallah you would be able to recall and apply the laws of indices, simplify the algebraic expressions with indices, convert numbers from ordinary form to standard form and vice versa, solve problems related with standard form. These are main objectives inshallah which we follow here. Example 1 is here. We are given variables x and y, and we can add up their powers, because here we are given fractions. Here we add up these powers by finding LCM and get simplified answer here. Similarly, part B can be simplified by writing all these powers in fraction form of this variable x, and then adding these and finding LCM, we get this as answer. Example 2: change the following numbers from ordinary notation to standard form. Yes, we are given here ordinary form numbers. We know when decimal moves towards left side, we give 10 powers positive. So this is a rule here to be followed. We write this number as 9.87 into 10 raised power 9. Similarly, 548.2 can be written as, move this decimal from here to here, getting answer 5.482 into 10 raised power 2. Third example is again here. We are given here decimal and we have to move this decimal from here to here. These are 5 places towards the right side, so we give it a negative sign here. Example 3: write the following numbers in ordinary form. Again we are given here ordinary form numbers. We can write these numbers in we are given here standard form numbers, and we can write them in ordinary form or ordinary notation. 10 powers 4 can be removed by moving decimal towards right side. 4 places right side it will move, getting this answer. And similarly, in next part, 1.9 into 10 raised power minus 6 is here. Power minus 10 power minus 6 can be removed by moving decimal from here towards left side 6 places. We get this answer. And similarly, in example third part is here. Example 4: give and simplify and give answer in standard form. We are given here two numbers in standard form for addition. Very simple rule, just keep in mind, in case of addition or subtraction, we make these 10 powers equal or same. Here 10 power 5 can be converted into 10 power 6. How can we do this? Look at this part only. 2.3 into 10 raised power 5 can be written as 0.23 into 10 power 6 plus 9.4 into 10 power 6 is here. Now we have same power in these two numbers. Getting this 10 power 6 as common and writing it on right side, we get this expression, and simplifying we get this as answer. Just keep in mind this answer must be in standard form, otherwise we have to change the place of decimal towards left or right accordingly. Example 5. Simplify the following and give answer in standard form. 2.3 into 10 raised power 5 into 1.2 into 10 raised power 9. Here point to be noted is here, in case of multiplication or division, we do the directly, means we multiply 2.3, we multiply 2.3 by this number 1.2 directly and get this answer 2.75. Similarly 10 power 5 can be dealt with 10 power 9, means these powers will be added, getting this answer as 10 power 14. In case of multiplication and division, I again repeat, we directly multiply this number by this one, or in case of division we divide this number by this one to get direct answer here, and 10 powers are dealt with each other directly, means in case of multiplication these powers will be added, and in case of division these powers will be subtracted. So in this case here we get this as answer. This is already in standard form, so nothing to change in this answer. Recap. In this chapter, indices and standard form, we can multiply and divide the same basis with simple or fractional indices. We have learned this, just we are revising main ideas again. We can evaluate and deal with numbers with zero and negative indices. Yes, we have learned these rules. We can deal with or simplify numbers in radical form. Similarly, we can add or subtract numbers in standard form, or we can add or divide numbers in standard form. These are main concepts and ideas which we have learned in all these lessons. Lesson 1, 2, 3, and this was the last lesson in this chapter. Inshallah students, I hope you will have understood the concepts and rules completely. Do maximum practice and do all these questions and parts at home. Allah Hafiz.